Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's ARJ Beauty here. Today's video is going to be on this look right here. It's just me playing around with makeup and using, but it's featuring the Saint Dream palette by Kathleen Lights and Colourpop. The colors are really cool, really pretty. I'm going to be using this palette a lot more with some other looks. But if you're interested to see how I got this look right here, you know, then just continue watching. And another side, YouTube is the place where I get to wear color. I'm also going to use the Kathleen Lights palette. I've already like primed my eyelid, so okay. I'm going to start off with this shade right here. As you can see, I did my brows off camera already. So next I'm gonna go in with this orange shade right here. I'm just gonna blend out my edges on that. And back in with the orange shade, pack it on my lid. Hope everyone's having a good 2018. This is just a flat shader brush, and I'm just going in the inner corner. It's the same color that we started with, but a lot more dense and stronger. I'm gonna go in with my pencil brush. I'm ready to go in with this dark shade right here. Oh, I have the shades on the back. This is called Moony. What? See, I would think this would be called Moony, but maybe I'm just basic. Right in the crease. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with these really pretty shimmery. I feel like they're like the Super Shock shadows. I think it's pretty. I don't know if you guys can see. Let me zoom in a bit more. This is the NYX Bright something. And I'm just gonna line my eye with that. Let's zoom back in. So you just wanna go over where you put the black line. Okay guys, so I am back. I finished the other eye. I do want to add, I've been practicing those like cut crease like Instagram glitter like line things, and I'm probably late on it, but you know, I want to get better, you know, with my makeup and stuff. So from what I've been seeing, it's more like right here. I don't even know if you can like see it. I feel like it don't make no sense. When I was putting my eyeliner on, I got these little dots on, but I can't take them off now. So I'm just gonna finish the rest of my makeup and I'll come back to my eyes when I'm done. So let's just, okay. So I'm just brushing off my setting powder. The thing that I hate because I had to go like upload and then take it off and like put it onto my computer, it makes my skin look super like white. Because I left my setting powder on for like an hour. So what I do is I go ahead and I get my Mario Badescu spray. This is like the only spray that, no, I use many sprays, but like this one helps with this whole white thing. Ew. Anyways, I'm going with the Carat blend. I'm using this brush, this angled brush, and I'm going to kind of contour my face. But not really. I don't really cream contour that much unless it's like a, you know, a hot date. Joking, you know, I don't have hot dates. I was watching a video and someone said it's better to pat in your like stuff than brush, but I'm like a kind of person. These little dots are honestly gonna stay on my face because I'm scared to like get them off. I've been using these things For my skin, I want to do a video on them, but I'm gonna wait like a good like 2 months kind of. I want to do makeup on skincare because that's one thing I've been really into for this year. I want my skin to get really good. I know that has to go down to diet and everything, but I don't know what I've been putting on my skin, but it's just not looking good. Yeah, my skin has not been doing well, and it's been really bothering me. Like at work I talk about it all the time because it just doesn't look good. Like I can cover it up with makeup, but like I would like to not wear makeup, you know. I have all these dark spots, and then my coworker's telling me it's just hyperpigmentation and you have to, like, you know, wear sunscreen. And tell me, do you wear sunscreen? But I just went out and I got this new sunscreen, and I also bought this spray sunscreen from Pixie. Hopefully maybe I'll like it. But my skin is just so sensitive. I break out to everything, and I break out, I get a pimple, and then it gets black. Right now I'm going in with my mineralized skin finish because I cannot not use this. And oh, and a new thing, like my favorite song at the moment is Finesse by Bruno Mars featuring Cardi B. That's my song. Like I'm thinking about it right now in my head. I looked at my bow and I was like, Cardi B say something, can't tell me nothing. So I'm nice and like bronzed up. I get a little bit like that. I'm trying to see where I get the best lighting. And on my nose. Ooh, I put too much. I'm gonna go with blush, and I used to be a blush person, but this blush right here, I looked at some of Tarte's blushes and I'm like, what black girl can wear this? Like what person darker than like NC like 37, I don't even think that's a real color, can wear their blushes? But I got this in my Ipsy, but they don't sell it at Tarte, so I'm happy but I'm sad. Amazonian Clay 12-hour blush in Feisty. This blush is so pretty. I see it. It gives me like a nice little flush of color. Ooh. So I want to use the L'Oreal Glow more, but I'm thinking the texture in it, I feel like it's gonna lift off my makeup. And let's see how it goes. Oh, don't ruin my makeup. I actually like it. Oh, I don't know. It's like, I need to like play with this more to give a good review on it. That was just like a tester. So now I'm gonna go with my Gold Deposit from MAC. Like it's the go-to if you're like my complexion, a bit lighter. No, if you're my complexion, yeah, lighter, darker. Like I think you could use this. Oh, and how a lot of times when I wear this, people are like, "Is that Fenty?" And I'm like, "No, I don't want Fenty. I wish." Okay, that's one highlight done, and then the next one I'm just gonna use the the Master Chrome from Maybelline. It's such a buttery highlighter, it's so pretty. This side is, whew. So actually I'm gonna go back in with my mineralized bronzer. Get this kind of big pencil brush, and I'm just gonna push that on the lower lip. I don't know why it's so low. Okay, the last thing I have to do are my lips. I'm gonna go in with Espresso from NYX. And just I want like a nude. I go in with my everyday lipstick, which is Raw Chocolate by Maybelline. Such a pretty color. So now we're gonna go in with my Sephora Blush Gloss in Outrageous. And I'm gonna just put that And I'm gonna use this gloss because it's hella sparkly. So that is that. So I'm gonna go finish my hair and I will come back to show you guys, you know, do the whole glam shots and everything. That's how. You guys made it to the end of the video. This is my outro. This is how my makeup ended up looking. So this is the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. Hope you guys liked this 2018 makeup, you know, Instagram bratty, not really. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please remember to comment, like, and subscribe. This was a fun video. This is an eyeshadow look. I'm trying to, you know, boom into 2018. But thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day. Have a great year. And yeah, bye. Actually, no, this is my outro. Bye.